Hey easy technology fans, in this tutorial we're going to be showing y'all how to free up space in Windows 11. Windows 11 includes robust tools for managing the storage on your PC. It can detect where large unused files are, clear temporary files automatically, and empty the recycling bin on a schedule. Here's how to do all of that. So first thing we are going to do is check what's using up our space. And in order to do that, you're going to choose the Start menu and simply go ahead and select settings. If it's not pinned over here, you can also right click on the settings or on the start menu, go ahead and select settings. And by default, you would be under system. So what you want to do is go ahead and select storage. And you would be giving a few options over here. So what you want to look for is temporary files. If you don't find that or if you don't see it, then simply just choose show more categories. And it'll show you in details all of the categories in which that's taking up any space on your device. So what you want to look for is temporary files. Go ahead and simply select that. Select any of the ones that you want to clean up. And then what you want to do is simply go ahead and select remove files. Go ahead and select continue. Alright, this can take a few minutes to clean up and delete the temporary files in which you have selected, but once it is complete, then go ahead and select the back arrow to go back. And what you want to do is go ahead and scroll down and look for where it says cleanup recommendations, so go ahead and select that. And what you want to do is simply for under large or unused files, go ahead and select that. And what you want to do is select the unused or large files right over here and simply just go ahead and delete what you don't want. So I don't want these two files right over here. I'm going to select them and go ahead and select clean up 1 GB. Go ahead and select continue. Alright, and they will be deleted. Alright, so what you want to do from there, go ahead and go back once again. And go ahead and find where it says storage sense. So go ahead and select that. If it's not toggled on, go ahead and do so. And go ahead and check keep Windows running smoothly by automatically cleaning up temporary files and app files. Alright, and go ahead and toggle this on under automatic user content cleanup. And it will automatically clean up your files within 30 days. If they have been in the recycling bin for more than 30 days, it will automatically be deleted. Alright, and another method we are going to do is clean up with our disk. So go ahead and exit this out. Go ahead and select the start menu and type in disk cleanup. Go ahead and select the app. Alright, it's going to bring up this pop-up. And what you want to do is simply go ahead and select clean up system files. Alright, so it's going to bring up another pop-up, and what you want to do is simply go ahead and select all of these files. They are temporary files. And once you have selected all the files, go ahead and simply choose OK. It's going to ask, are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? Go ahead and choose delete files. Give it a few minutes. Alright, and once it's done, it's going to go away automatically. And last but not least, we need to clear our browser data as well. So to do so, go ahead and choose Google Chrome, so double click on it. Select any account. Go ahead and select the three dots on the top right hand side and go ahead and select settings. Alright, go ahead and select privacy and security. And go ahead and select under privacy and security, clear browsing data. Make sure all of these are checked off and you can change the time range for the last 7 days. And go ahead and select clear data. Alright, and it has cleared your cache for your browser's history. Alright, so that concludes my tutorial. I hope you benefited. Make sure to like the video, share it to your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.